We found a swarm. As we were coming back, we saw all these bees in the air, and they're landing here on these hives that don't have any comb or anything in them. So I'm going to see if I can find the queen. If we can grab the queen, we can get the swarm.
Unprotected. I can't be nervous because they'll sense my nerves.
I don't understand why there's two main clusters. Usually there'll be one cluster and the queen will be in the middle of it. They're protecting her.
It's hard to see, but there's this huge swarm of bees all around.
Amazing sound too.
You're a wild man, Doug.
Aren't they amazing creatures?
Their behavior is so, like, 1 minute they're attacking you and the next minute they're just so disinterested.
I'm not breathing on, I'm definitely trying to breathe away. And when I'm looking right at them, I'll hold my breath.
When we breathe, we exhale CO2, and that's just like what a bear would do.
Where are you?
What about right here, Doug? In that little tiny festoon down below. To your left. I guess not.
There's a bunch on the other side of this hive too. Yeah, she's not here.
Maybe she's trying to occupy
Oh wow,
one of the
there's
hives.
a lot over here. Isn't that amazing? They're just all hanging on each other.
Wow. Bees, a super organism. All for one and one for all.